I love you and only you, baby. Hey, I'm ready now. Wake up, somebody's setting your black. Somebody's setting your black.
What do you want now, damn it? What? Really?
Hit me with the super
Okay, I'll hit you with the super bass. You got it?
bass guitar.
I just send you a lead guitar. That's better.
What is up, YouTube? How y'all doing? Yeah. This the baby Angelina Jordan. This baby Jordan. How they singing in Japanese? What? How you gonna sing in Japanese that little? Bless your heart. Bless your heart. Boy, I wish somebody would have made me learn a foreign language. I'd be real cool then. But I only know one language. Well, I know a half a language, half of English. Y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, and let's check this bad boy out. I got to see this one.
Oh
Yeah, I was helping her out a little bit. I was helping her just a little bit. That's Japanese, man. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Angelina Jordan when she was little doing some good stuff. Hey, look here. I'm going to get on up out of here. That was beautiful. Y'all take it light, take it slow. Tell her Mike Cross. Told you so. Peace out.